mic on. Small time alongside JW.
My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane. Start my truck, let's all jump in. Here we go together. Nice cool breeze and big palm trees. I tell you, life don't get no better. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane. Okay, your mama really step on the dancing floor. Hips be winding, guitar rewinding. Take it to the island way. Okay, your baby mama, put on your dancing shoes. One drop it, pop it low now. Take it to the max now. Jam in this small jam way. Jam in this small jam way. My bestie and your bestie dancing by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane.
Let me take it from here. Salam a girl straight up, right hoochie mama. Make me party non-stop in a island banda. Swing those hips and back it up to me ragga. A chance for party ladies do the doggy doggy. I'm drumming island reggae, rapping blue, green and yellow. Me tapping a baby, make a slow wine for me baby. Speakers pumping, people jumping. We drumming the island way.
Shout out to the good time crew all across the islands. Grab your shoes, let me 2x2, and I'm shining bright like diamond. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane.
Yes, one drop it, pop it low now. Take it to the max now. Jump in the small jam way. Wind it.
Wind up, go down, wind up, go down. Twist your body backward.
We go.
Left, left, we go right, right. Turn it around and
Wind
forward.
and go down again.
Wind up, go down, wind up, go down. Twist your body backward.
Twist it
We
back.
go left, left, we go right, right. Turn it around and forward. My bestie and your bestie dancing by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane. Chucking more fina, ane. Chucking more fina, ane. Chucking more fina, ane.
Let's learn My Bestie. It's choreographed by Colin, Ghys, and Miguel, Belloque, Vane. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, high improver level line dance. Tag 1 will happen on the ends of walls 1, 3, and 4. Tag 2 will happen on the end of wall 6. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the tags and where they happen, and then we're going to go through and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn My Bestie. Section 1, you're going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, right, left. We're now going to rock our right foot forward, recover back onto your left foot, rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left foot. We're going to weave, cross your right knee on your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to touch our right toe behind our left. You're going to pop both knees forward and then recover your weight on your right foot. When you do that knee pop, a styling option that you can do is that you also pop your shoulders. So when you pop both knees forward, your right shoulder will come up. When you recover, your left shoulder will come up. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a rumba box. So you're going to step your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, step your left foot forward. Step your right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, step back with your right. We're now going to do 2 walks back, left, right, and we're going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our pop and our recover. You're going to step to the left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to step forward with our right foot. And as we do that, we're going to push both hands up, and you can kind of wiggle your hands back and forth. So you're stepping forward, you're pushing your hands up, and you're going to make a half pivot and then bring your hands down. We're going to step forward with our right. You're going to push both hands up and kind of wiggle your fingers, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot, and drop your hands to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to do vaudeville, so you're going to cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side, and place your right heel into the diagonal. Quickly step your right next to your left, cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, push your left heel into the diagonal, and then step your left next to your right. When you step your left next to your right, you want to make sure that your body is facing 3 o'clock or even slightly to the right to go into the next section. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your step half pivot with your hands. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a 3/4 turning volta. A good way to remember where your volta ends is that it's going to bring you back to the wall that you started at. So if we were starting the 12 o'clock wall, it's going to bring you back to 12 o'clock. If we were doing the 9 o'clock wall, it would bring you back to 9 o'clock. So wherever you started those 2 walks, that's where that volta is going to bring you back to. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as you slightly cross your right over your left, step your left next to your right, you're now at 6 o'clock. We're going to step our right foot slightly over our left, making that quarter turn over your right shoulder, step your left next to your right, you're now at 9 o'clock. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot forward and slightly over your left, step your left next to your right, you're now at 12 o'clock, and then you're going to step forward with your right. We're now going to do a weave, so you're going to cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, you're going to cross your left behind your right and sweep your right from front to back. You're now going to cross your right behind your left, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then touch your right next to your left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, facing 3 o'clock, you're going to do your 3/4 volta, so it's 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Remember that all those parts have hand motion, so you want to do them whether I include them or not. Make sure that you're doing the pushes or the pops if you would like. You can add some extra in as you go. Weight is on your left, starting with your walk. So it's walk, walk, walk forward, recover, walk side, recover, behind, side, cross, side touch, behind, knee, pop, side together, forward, side together, back, walk, back, back, coaster, step, step, push, half pivot, step, push, quarter pivot, cross and heel, side, cross, side, heel, fall, vault to 3, quarter turn, back to 12 o'clock, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, quarter touch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tags. Tag 1 is 4 counts, and it will happen on the end of wall 1, facing 9 o'clock, the end of wall 3, facing 3 o'clock, and the end of wall 4, facing 12 o'clock. All you're going to do is a V-step with shimmies. So facing 9 o'clock is where we will do it the first time. Let's walk through it and do the shimmies, and we'll practice it with counts. Stepping your right foot out to the right diagonal, step your left foot out to the left diagonal, bring your right foot back center, and then step your left next to your right. And as you do that, you're going to shimmy your shoulders. So you're going to go out, out, in. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your V-step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Making sure that your weight's all the way on your left so that you can start the dance over again, doing your walk, walk. You will do that tag again at 3 o'clock and at 12 o'clock. Then, when we do tag 2, it will happen on the end of wall 6, facing 6 o'clock. You will do the 4 counts of tag 1, your V step, and then you're going to do 2 step half pivots. So facing 6 o'clock, weight is on your left, you're going to do your V step, so you're doing your out, out, in, in. Now we're going to do 2 step half pivots. Step forward with your right foot, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock. Step forward with your right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to return to 6 o'clock, where you will continue on with the dance, walk, walk, and do your rocks. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your V step with your shimmy. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is all of tag 2. After that, you will dance wall 7 and wall 8 all the way through. Wall 9 is your final wall. You will dance up until doing your rumba box, and then you'll just do a big step back with your right foot, and that is how you're going to end the dance. So you don't even have to worry about an ending. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 7 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tags into their next wall. Weight is on your left, starting with your walk. So it's walk, walk, forward rock, behind, side, cross, side, touch, behind, knee, pop, side together, forward, side together, back, walk, back, back, coaster, step, half pivot with your hands, quarter pivot with your hands, vaudeville. Now it's your volta, it's quarter ball, step, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, quarter, touch, do your tag, out, out, in, walk, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Walk, walk, forward rock, side rock, behind, side, cross, side touch, behind, knee, pop, side together, forward, side together, back, walk, back, back, coaster, step, half pivot with a hand push, quarter pivot with a hand push, cross side, heel ball, cross side, heel ball, quarter ball, step, cross side behind sweep, behind quarter touch, do your tag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Do your tag, out, in, walk, walk, forward rock, behind, side, cross, side touch, behind, knee, pop, side together, forward, side together, back, walk, back, coaster step. Now it's your pivots, it's half, quarter vaudeville, cross side, heel ball, cross side, heel 3/4 volta, weave, cross side, behind sweep, behind quarter touch. At the end of this wall, you're doing your 8 count tag. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Your V step, it's out, in. Step, half pivot, walk, forward rock, behind, side, cross, side touch, behind, knee, pop, side together, forward, side together, back, walk, back with a coaster. Now your pivots, it's half, quarter, vaudeville, cross and heel side, cross side, heel ball, ball to 3/4 with your weave with a sweep, quarter with a touch. And then you will keep dancing until the end of the rumba box where you'll do that big step back. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn my bestie. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Hey, yo, big wave. Tell them I come. Small time alongside.
says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane. Start my truck, let's all jump in. Here we go together. Nice cool breeze and big palm trees. I tell you, life don't get no better. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane. I tell your mama, Gwele, step on the dancing floor. Hips be winding, DJ rewinding. Take it to the island way. Get your baby mama, put on your dancing shoes. One drop it, pop it low now. Take it to the max now. Jam in this small jam way. Jam in this small jam way. My bestie and your bestie dancing by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane.
Let me take from here. Salam a girl straight up, right hoochie mama. Make me party non-stop in a island banda. Swing those hips and back it up to me ragga. A chance for